The images used on each screen are called background images. To add background images to the current project, open the Image Resources window. You can select the images to add by clicking the Add Images button, or dragging and dropping the images directly into the window. You can add images from all common image formats. The recommended image formats are BMP or PNG, without transparency. The image is automatically resized to fit the current project dimension. But we recommend using images with the same width and height as the target display, to avoid distortions. To add a new screen, click the Add Screen button. You can add many screens at the same time using the Add Screens button. There are several ways to select screens. Use Ctrl plus left mouse button to add screens to the current selection. Select a screen, then hold the Shift key and select another screen to select a continuous range. Use Ctrl plus A to select all screens at once. You can remove screens from the project by selecting them, then clicking the Remove Screens button. Be careful, this operation can't be undone. To recover deleted screens, close the project without saving it, then reopen it. You can change the background image of a single screen by right-clicking it, then clicking Select Background Image. You can change multiple screens at once too. Select the screens, right-click them, then choose the method. Use Select Background Image, equal, to set the same image to the selected screens. Similarly, use Select Background Image, different, to set different images for each screen. Drag images one by one to each screen, or select multiple images, in order, and drag them to the first screen on the sequence. A new pick ID is set to every screen when it's created, but you can change those pickets to reorder the screens. Select a screen, then use the Move Screens Up or Down buttons. Notice how the screen moves as its pick ID changes. You can move multiple screens at the same time too. When you change the pick ID of a screen, all of its object references are updated. You can also right-click a screen and select Change Pick ID to set a new specific, not used, pick ID to it. This concludes this tutorial. If you need further help, please refer to our documentation, or contact our technical support team. Thanks for watching.